All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here. OnlyWoodFloors. Hey, you guys been waiting. You've seen the demo. You've seen some of the plywood. We finally getting started with the installation. Had this custom milled and delivered out here to us. But look at that already. What a difference this is going to be, right? Wow. Man, that maple is beautiful. This is 4-inch wide, solid 3/4. Look how thick this is. Beautiful, baby. And what we have is we've done 6 mil plastic, best moisture barrier in the world. We've done 2 sheets of plywood. We've crisscrossed them, and then the wood goes on top. Everything gets nailed together. It's the same way we do basketball courts and racquetball rooms. There's no toxic glue in here anywhere. Just made this, the door we don't want to mess with, great door. Just made a special piece. We glued and nailed a couple of pieces together and then reduced it down. Watch this. See that? Yeah, man. Well, if something ever does happen, we can take that one piece out and replace it later on. But here you go. Gonna get started. Whew. We'll get a lot done this week. Still have all the steps and all of upstairs to do. Gonna be a difference. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned.